Hi and welcome to Science Desk. In this video, we shall discuss about sense organs. We will be seeing what are sense organs and what are the various types of sense organs. We will see them one by one. What are sense organs? Sensory organs are the ones that help us to respond to the external stimuli. They convey these impulses to the nervous system. What are the uses of having sense organs? They help us to interact with the outside environment and help in understanding and sensing the atmosphere to act accordingly. Here you can see the person responding to pain and moving his limbs. What are the various types of sense organs? Skin, eyes, ears, nose and tongue. Skin is the sense organ for touch that contains receptors for touch which are responsible for sending messages to the brain as impulses through sensory pathways. Eyes are responsible for vision and has got the ability to take information from light waves, transform them into neural signals which the brain can process. Ears are responsible for hearing and also maintain the equilibrium of our body. They carry the impulses to the brain. Nose is responsible for the sense of smell. The nasal cavity, which is lined with small hairs called cilia and olfactory receptors, help in carrying the external stimuli to the brain. Tongue, which is responsible for the sensation of taste, is made up of voluntary muscles and also has got 10,000 taste buds. These enable to carry the sensory impulses to the brain. What happens in sense organs? Sense organs are responsible for sending the messages to the brain through sensory pathways. And in the brain, these messages are processed and the information is sent to the required sense organ to function through motor pathways. Here you can see the person here is touching a hot pan and able to feel the pain. As soon as he is feeling the heat, he is taking his hands away. So this is because of the impulses sent by the skin to the brain, and in turn brain is processing this information and sending him to move his hand through motor pathways. Any questions? If you have any questions in this topic, please feel free to write in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you really like this video and find this interesting, like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Science Desk.